Today we're going to show you how to set time with GPS and add time zones. Let's get started. Set time with GPS. Hold the upper left button in the main menu. Find Set time with GPS, press upper right button to enter this function. The device will acquire satellites to determine your current time of the location. Time is set. You may easily track your time anywhere you are. Add time zones. Next, we're going to show you how to add time zones. While wearing your watch, Instinct allows you to gain multiple time zones. First, hold the upper left button. Find all time zones and press the upper right button to enter this function. Add zone. Select the time zone that you want. You may rename zone. Once you are done, press lower right button to view selected time zone. You may also add more time zones by pressing upper right button. Select Add Zone. Follow the same steps and select the time zone. Press lower right button to view time zones. If you would like to edit or delete time zones, press upper right button. Select the time zone that you want to edit. This is how you set time with GPS and add time zones on Instinct Watch. Be sure to watch the other videos in this series to learn more about Instinct Watch. Thank you for watching.